Good morning, children. Welcome back to Google class. Today we will see chapter 14, The Raven. About the poem. The Raven is a famous poem by Edgar Allan Poe, who is known for writing mysterious stories and poems. And as you will read this poem, The Raven, you will find that this is truly a very much mysterious poem that you will read. On a winter evening, the speaker of the poem is dozing off while reading stories of long ago when he distinctly hears a knock on the door. He assumes that it is a visitor. He is suddenly reminded of the loss of his dear departed Lenore. And who is Lenore? Lenore is wife of the writer, one who has written this poem, The Raven. Because his wife had passed much more earlier. The knocking continues, and each time the speaker thinks it is a visitor and nothing more. Finally, after persistent knocking, he opens the door, but there is no one there. He asks if that is Lenore, but all he gets is an echo. When he turns back to the room, he hears a loud knocking from somewhere close by. He thinks it is the wind and nothing more. But when he opens a shutter, a raven appears just above his room door. I think that the raven is a symbol rather than a real creature in the poem. I think the bird represents the sorrow and loneliness that the poet feels on losing his dear Lenore. The raven could also symbolize evil and death. The poet creates an element of mystery in the poem through the setting and the suspense surrounding the visitor. Words like bleak December, dying ember, ghost upon the floor, rustling of the curtains, darkness, etc. build the mystery. The words creating a mystery around the person or thing at the door also adds to the atmosphere. Thank you.